If you're dealing with thinning hair and you've come across Soren hair regrowth, you're probably wondering if it's actually worth the money. After looking into the product, here's my quick take. Soren hair regrowth is marketed as a hair growth solution designed to help reduce hair thinning and support healthier, fuller-looking hair. The formula contains ingredients that are commonly used in hair care products aimed at improving scalp health and strengthening hair follicles. What I like is that it's easy to use and doesn't require complicated routines. Many users report seeing improvements in hair thickness and reduced shedding after consistent use for several months. However, it's important to keep expectations realistic. Hair regrowth products usually take time, and results can vary depending on factors like genetics, age, and the cause of hair loss. So, is Soren hair regrowth worth it? If you're looking for a non-invasive option and you're willing to be patient, it may be worth trying. Just remember, consistency is key, and no product can guarantee results for everyone.